everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and we are also like recovering with our post vaccination. So I'm here making today my breakfast. So we got up so late and sorry for the late vlog. As you guys will know, like after vaccination we'll get the fever and some side effects. So we were suffering with it and now we are like totally fine. We recovered. And I'm making a breakfast bread omelette today. So always I love to add ghee in my breakfast. So every time in the breakfast time I totally skip oil and I use this ghee. So I'm making two different bread omelette today. I just love that toast one. I will dip in it and we'll make a roast. That one I love the most. So for me, I'm making that. So hello guys.
Hello.
Are you on camera?
I know that. I'm always on camera.
Yeah. So I'm making bread omelette for you.
So Friday we took our vaccine and next day, that is Saturday, till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock I was fine. Almost 23-24 hours I was fine. Only I had hand pain. Then later I got fever and body pain and everything. So it was horrible and different feeling. I mean, even when you get fever, this feeling won't come. It's not that too much of annoying. It is like totally a different feeling you are getting. You're not getting sleep. You are not able to sleep. You're not able to do anything. You're drowsy and stuff. And Sunday was okay. Fever reduced. Body pain was there. So today I took a strong hot water bath. So the body pain has reduced. So I'm getting refreshed now. So yes, I feel back. So if you guys are taking vaccine, kindly plan in such a way that you have 1 or 2 days gap after that. So if you have holiday on Saturday, Sunday, take it on a Friday. So Saturday, Sunday, complete rest you can take. That's the best thing. If you don't have such option, then take leave, I would say, because you cannot work with this type of, it's a totally different foreign body coming into your body. So the reaction is totally different. It's like mixed emotions. So hope now I'm better.
So we are eating our breakfast. So I will meet you guys later. So again I'm here back with this lotus seed. So last time जो मैंने plan किया था, it couldn't come out really nicely. So I just want this sandpaper. I was talking about this paper, the scrub paper. I was telling something. So this is the sandpaper. We need to scrub on this. Then after this we'll get the white portion of this seed, insider white portion. So after getting that, we have to dip in the water for like, after that procedure is like that only, we have to dip in the water. So now I'm going to scrub this. Let's see, it's like, it's very, very hard. This is not really easy like how it's look, and see, I have done almost like the white part is visible now. So I have done this 2, 3 and 4. So now I'm gonna dip this in this water. So let's see in how many days it will start growing. So up from now I will continue start showing you guys the growth. So let's see, hope for the best. So I'm literally sweating. So as of now I'm putting this 4. Let's see what's gonna happen. So hope for the best, guys. Let's see. So I'm keeping this here. So I am totally free now. So I'm doing this comment section finally today. And so I got one request to call out her name. So it's a request from Daddu Rahul Krishnan. So her name is Mehek. So thank you so much, Mehek, supporting us and watching continuously our videos and our vlogs. Thank you so much for supporting, and I love you, Mehek. Thank you so much. Please keep supporting. So let's start the comments. As Dice told, like we are totally alright. In the last video, like most of the comments is like take care of yourself, and thank you so much for everybody. We like recovered now nicely. Arun Anu, he's a very old subscriber. So he's telling nice to see Dice talking in Kannada. Dice know Kannada very well actually. I got one more new comment from my childhood friend Nikita A. It's me, your new subscriber, watching your vlogs from past 5 days. So she is my like chaddi buddy dost. Thank you so much, Nikki. I really miss you. And Anu Nandini is telling well done, guys. Most of the comments are like take care. And Mani Bharti is telling I'm watching your video all the days. I love your video, Didi. Next something interesting vlog, Didi. Keep going, and you are so beautiful, Didi. Thank you so much. So Abdul Rahim is telling NDMO. Idu or mini dress shop pole undallo. So he's telling like our wardrobe is like little a dress shop. So nothing like that. So Rita Didi is telling as always take care both of you. Thank you so much. So I got this comment from Millionaire Messenger. So he is like my friend's brother. So Dada, I am Shabnam Gupta's brother and I wish you the best of luck, Dada. So this message is for Dias. So thank you so much, Bhai. Thank you so much. So as always, Rima Chichi is telling well done, guys. Thank you so much. This all the love which you guys are sending us, and thank you very much to you all. So please keep supporting like this, and thank you so much, everybody. Thank you so much once again. Oh, there was so many work at home today, so I was doing it, and in between I just forgot I was shooting today. So I got remembered just, so I started now. So I just came here to dry this clothes. So as all you know, we have like so many new members in our YouTube family. So I thought of just quickly show them our garden. So just a quick tour of my garden. So here is the entrance, how it's look. This is the stair and it comes like this, and here we have this plant, and here we have the pretty cycle stand which we bought from Amazon, and this is the second pot stand which I love the most, and this is how it's look, and I love this plant. This is the third last stand we have, and this is how it looks, and we have this palm tree on top of that. And so this is the main garden area. So this is the entrance. So in the entrance we have this 2 lamp light which starts with solar, and in the middle of this garden we have this beautiful fountain. So beautiful. So in this we have fish also. I don't want to scare them. Okay. So in the corner of this I just started growing this grass flower because I love them, and you guys will agree that if it is grow with flower it will look amazing. So with this also we have tied the rice light. It will start at night after the sunset. So I have just ordered all this plant from Amazon and it's growing so nicely. You guys can see the flower. This is the balsam, and here we have so many palm trees because my husband loves palm trees. So in between we have roses, this multicolor leaves plant. So I love this too. And so just 2-3 days before I just planted this. This is some flower seed. So I don't know which flower seed is this. We'll see after growing. So here also I have kept, in between I have kept this rose plant. One tomato I got already. I'm just waiting to see this rest of tomatoes to grow. We have just tied this shed for a warm shade for this garden. So here's the fountain. So I just love this area of my house. I have just put in this clothes and to dry, and this is how our garden looks. So I am planning to cut my hair from front like this something. So let me know in the comments below like I should cut or not, so I can show in the upcoming vlog. I am planning to cut it. Still I have not taken permission from dyers also. Still I am planning to. So please let me know in the comment below I should do or not, because I want some change. It's been like a year now I have not cutted my hair or designed something. So please let me know in the comment below I should do or not. So I will be waiting for the comments, and let's see in the next vlog I'm gonna do or not. Quickly, I'm just cleaning this area. It's been so long I didn't clean it, so I'm just cleaning it. So you guys can see this frame, right? If you can imagine, this is art by Dice Paul. Can you imagine? This is art by Dice Paul, really, trust me. Actually, हम लोगों ने कुछ ऐसा पेंटिंग कंपटीशन रखा था एक दिन रात में, तो he just came out with such a beautiful painting of mine. He just made me and I just love this. So I thought to do the frame and keep in the bed corner of mine. So it's beautiful, no? Let me know in the comments below how much you guys liked it. And I just love this, you know. And he have written here that my Molu. In Malayalam, like we used to call baby and all, no? So in Malayalam we call Molu. So his signature also is there. When he did 10th month of Feb and 2020. So this is the best memory I have ever. So I used to keep it here. We have this the bouquet stand, and this is very pretty. I have kept little rice light. As you guys know, I just love rice light. So here we have the Bose speaker because I love listening to music, and here I kept this for the heater kettle because every morning I need to drink this herbal tea. So I just keep it here itself. और यहाँ पे मैंने रखा है एक box ताकि कुछ भी सामान हो, पेन पेंसिल हो, ताकि हम एक क्लियर नीट वे में यहाँ पे रख पाए, इसलिए मैंने इसको यहाँ पे फिक्स कर दिया है. और ये मेरा बेड का साइड टेबल है. So here I am ending this video today. Please do not forget to hit like, comment and subscribe. If it is possible, please try to share my videos so it will reach out to more people. And thank you for supporting, guys. Thank you for such a beautiful love from your side. And we are doing great, and nothing else to say, and say bye bye, hello, bye bye to everyone, and see you soon in my next vlog, guys. Till then, take care, bye bye. I love you all.